Okay, so review number 5, question number 2. The scale on the map is 1 to 20,000. It asks us, please calculate the actual distance between 2 points, which are 2.7. I don't know why I needed to highlight the word calculate. That's just dumb. I'm just going to erase that. That was dumb. Okay, they're 2.7 centimeters apart on the map. We want our answer in kilometers. So that's the super important information. So when we're looking at a scale here, what this is saying is this is 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 20,000 centimeters in real, not leaf, in real life. Map, real life, okay? So if I have, let's see, part A, oh, there we go. And I have 1 to 20,000, but I've got 2.7, and I want to know how many centimeters that is in real life. Well, if I've got these two fractions, I can set up a proportional equation, just like I do when I'm finding percentages, right? So here, 1 over 20,000 equals 2.7 over question mark, or x, doesn't matter. Now we cross multiply. 1 times x equals x. No. 2.7 times 20,000. I can do this by hand. Double 7, 14. 5.4, and then add 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So x equals 54,000. The reason that we have 4 zeros here and only 3 zeros is that I bounced that decimal place over. 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't add 4 zeros because that wouldn't be right, because this was not a whole number. Okay, so x equals 54,000, but this is in centimeters, and it wants me to answer in kilometers. So what I'm going to do is, I know centa means 100, and so if I divide this by 100, I'm going to take away 2 of those zeros. That's going to give me 540 meters. So then if I take that and I want this to be kilometers, I know that there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. So that would bounce 1, 2, 3, it'd be 0.54 kilometers. I swear I can spell. I swear I can spell. I swear. All right. So now let's look at part B, whatever. A field has an area of 64,400 meters squared. Calculate the area of the field on the map in centimeters squared. I don't like these questions. Okay. Part B. So we know that the ratio is 1 centimeter to 20,000 centimeters. But this representation is in meters squared. So even though these are both centimeters, I want to convert this one to meters. So 1 centimeter is going to be worth, centa means 100, into meters, divide by 100, 1, 2, 3. So 1 centimeter is 20 meters. But when we're talking about area, it means that I'm going to be squaring both of these because my unit of measurement is meters squared. So 1 centimeters square on my map is going to have a common ratio with 400 square meters in real life. Okay, so we know that if we set up that proportional equation, 1/400, and then where do we put what? So when I'm looking at the values that I have here, in real life, I've got 64,400, so that's going to go on the bottom. Next to this. And then up here, we don't know what that is, so we're going to name it as X. And now I multiply to give me 400x equals 64,400. And then to divide both sides by 400. To make this a little simpler math, I'm going to knock out both of those zeros together. And then I've got 644 divided by 4 goes in once. 6. 1. So x equals 161, and it's going to be in centimeters squared. There you go on that one. Okay. The last one. Yeah.